Iron Talk is brought to you by Case IH.
The world of farming is changing. From the power and versatility of Steiger and Magnum tractors to the legendary reliability of axial flow combines, Case IH can help you be ready. To learn more, visit caseih.com/be ready.
Anhydrous ammonia applications are going down in popularity due to regulations, the cost for dealers to offer and insure the product, and the safety of use compared to other nitrogen alternatives. However, anhydrous is sometimes a considerably cheaper alternative. And while we can't control the politics or the costs, we can control the user's safety. That's the topic of today's Iron Talk. The word anhydrous means without water, and when it comes into contact with your skin, it can cause rapid dehydration and severe burns. The first thing you need to do when you're handling anhydrous is think about personal protection. Wear tight-fitting, chemical-proof goggles or a full-face respirator. Rubber gloves that protect against ammonia are also a must, and coveralls or a heavy work shirt are advised as well. Okay, now the equipment. Begin by inspecting the equipment before each use. Look for cracks on hoses or signs of wear or slippage around couplers. While most experienced operators aren't scared of a little product in the lines, you are taking a big risk if you don't purge the lines each time you unhook or inspect them. Check the toolbar quick coupler regularly and replace as recommended or as wear dictates. When switching from tank to tank, make sure your hoses are the proper length. Also, always use the safety chains and hitch pin with safety clip to ensure that hoses aren't stretched and a tank never comes unhooked. When moving to and from fields, never exceed 25 miles per hour. If you follow these recommendations, accidents are unlikely. But if you do have one, farmers and custom applicators are required to report the incident to regulatory agencies. So be careful and be safe if using anhydrous ammonia this spring. That's all for today's Iron Talk, and now back to the show.